How to connect Discord account to Crunchyroll. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect your Discord account to Crunchyroll. So for that, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner, and under the account settings option you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it. And now just simply click on add from the top right corner again, and over here under the add new connection you will be able to see the option called Crunchyroll. Just simply tap on it, and now it will ask your permission to get started in order to connect both these accounts successfully. Just simply click on continue, and now it will redirect you to the page basically on the Crunchyroll's official website, where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your Crunchyroll's account. And after that you will be able to see the option called continue in order to successfully connect your Discord account with your Crunchyroll account. Just simply click on that and your account will be connected successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account to Crunchyroll. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.